Hello. Weight loss injections or GLP injections are the norm nowadays. We regularly see patients every day opting for these injections. And there are some common queries that they have about them. Now, the first query that they have is, how much weight will I lose on these injections? So as we have observed, you lose around 4 to 5 kilos of weight every month on the weight loss injections. It will go up to around 22% of your total body weight loss over a period of almost 72 weeks. How do these injections work? The weight loss injections, they work on the GLP and the GIP receptors. They suppress your hunger, your appetite and your cravings. They make you feel fuller for a longer time. They improve the action of your insulin. You tend to eat less. Thus, the stored fat is used for energy and so you start losing weight. Another common query that I get about weight loss injection is, what are the changes that I will see once I am on these injections? Typically, first you will start feeling lighter. You will feel more energetic, your mood will improve. You will start seeing a decrease in your inches. From the first week itself, you will observe the weight loss. All this is a positive progress towards your weight loss journey. A frequent query is about the side effect. Yes, there are side effects on these injections. They are mainly nausea, constipation, vomiting and loose motion. Now coming to the main part. Not everyone gets these side effects. Some may get a few side effects, some don't get any side effects even on higher doses. And there are ways in which we can tackle and manage these side effects. Another query is, how is the dose adjusted for these injections? So, the GLP injections are always started on the lowest dose when a new patient starts. Then, we observe these patients for their weight loss, their inch loss, and how they are responding to these injections. We also observe them for the side effect and their tolerance to these side effects. After 4 weeks, we ramp up the dose. So, every 4 weeks, you will go to the next higher dose of these GLP injections. What happens if I miss a dose of the GLP injections? Typically, the GLP injections, they act for a whole week. If you miss a dose, you should take the next injections within 5 days of the missed dose. If you cross 5 days after the missed dose, then you should drop that dose and go on to your next dose. Another common query is about muscle loss or the Ozempic phase when one is on the weight loss injections. How can you minimize this muscle loss? By taking a proper balanced diet with high quality protein. If you include high quality or leucine protein with branched chain amino acid leucine in your diet, then you will have minimal muscle loss. If you combine this with a good nutritious balanced diet along with some exercise which includes some amount of weight training or resistance training, it will minimize the muscle loss and give you a healthy weight loss. And now, the last but the most important query that I get about the GLP injections. How long do I have to be on these injections? So every person has his own weight loss target and you have to take these injections as long as you attain your weight loss target. Once you have attained these weight loss targets, then you can continue on your weight loss journey and maintain the achieved weight loss along with lifestyle changes. So if your lifestyle changes are in place, if you are already on a healthy and balanced diet and you are doing some amount of physical activity, you will be able to maintain your weight loss without being dependent on these injections for a very prolonged time.